she's not hungry anymore. Hungry? No? She is not hungry anymore.
She's full already?
Yep. It looks like 3 tubes of that. She's good. She loves to play on my head. I don't know that she will tonight. She's also just eaten, so I'm not sure I want her to. But one thing I have noticed about her, and I know from days of handling her that she is probably bug-free. Otherwise I would have suffered something, but I noticed that when I take her and I just kind of console her and do like a mama's wing, she calms down.
She's gotten really big.
Yeah, she likes her. Like that one? No. This is what I was talking about. This is the bird my girlfriend named BJ. And I'm so scared because she just ate. And it took me an hour to get my hair this way. But isn't she cute?
Hard to see in the light.
Yeah. She's got all her feathers in. Well, she's getting, I don't know if you can tell, but she's a little light under here with her feathers. They're all baby feathers under there. But they're filling in. What are you doing? This is how we exercise. Take her up, drop her down. Usually she doesn't do that. She just flaps her wings. Alright, that'll work.
I can get a better shot of you here anyway, BJ. In the light.
What is that?
Me.
Like a hurricane warning?
There you go.
You can stroke her head, she loves it. And she's very gentle. Especially this time of night, because she would usually be, you know, tucked in by her mom.
Whatever. Night, night, BJ.
Night, night.